Hey guys, I know it's been like 6 million years, but your girl is back. Um, ooh, let's go. Yeah, this is my friend, me and Bo. Look at him. I just wanted to vlog real quick. I really should have vlogged yesterday, show y'all, I guess, my experience with this snowstorm coming to Dallas and stuff. Look, it's me and my friend. And that's Sugar. Sugar, say hey to the vlog. She mad. I don't know why. Y'all, I fell earlier and my hands are frozen. Because Bo over here, yeah, you did it. I fell earlier because of Bo. Play too much. Because of Bo. Play too much. Look at them. I'm trying to walk slow. Hi. Are y'all scared? Bo, you scared them or something? Woke up, no electricity. 8 hours later, well, not even 8 hours, a couple hours later, my dad get off work, trying to figure out what we're gonna do, trying to wait out the power to come back on. And then hours later, my mom get off work. So it was like, dang, it's getting later and later. We still haven't eaten anything today. So we had went to Bucky's and we wanted to get like some barbecue, like that. I can't even talk. Bucky's is known for that, sandwiches. And my mom, she really likes their sausage on the stick. So we was gonna get that. But when we got there, they only had like limited options. So like I guess I don't know how long it makes to make their sandwiches, but like every 20 or 30 minutes, when they have, a good handful to give that to people, then I come bring it out. That's when I really should have started vlogging. I don't know. I didn't put it off vlogging for a minute because it's just, it takes a lot to, edit videos and stuff. And I just haven't been in the mood, haven't feeling myself and stuff. When I ain't feeling myself, I don't know, y'all. I just haven't been in the mood, but I'm trying to get back into the groove and things. It just, when Corona, whatever, done came, it's just been really hard to go to places and stuff. So, yeah, I just been at home, going to work, going home, going to work, going home. So, like, I'm not gonna vlog all that. Y'all don't want to see that. Y'all want to see me have fun. So, yeah, here I am in the cold. I'm trying to have fun. I'm really, really irritated because Bo, wherever you went, Bo, wherever he went, that made me feel. Can y'all see? Like, so I'm cold. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for him to get finished. He probably almost done. Slow motion for me. Slow motion. I should really do a TikTok while I'm out here. But I'm not. Cause I still have to learn the TikTok dance. So yeah, I'ma just see y'all later. So my wish came true. we may be stuck here a little longer because my bestie done got stuck. And my grandpa is my bestie. Just for some of y'all that don't know. He finna try again. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Cause we might have to call my father to come help us. I always speak too soon. Oh man. Okay. Now just pull up and go. Uh-oh. Ooh. Period, queen or king. Oh, he's spinning. Y'all, I was scared for my life. You see it? Okay. Hey, they over here fighting over this food. Okay, you guys, we have fed the. I'm gonna just hold it, I guess. We just fed Sugar. Can you see her? Yeah, she over there feeding. Eating. And Bo, I don't know if you can see him. Everybody eating, basically. They eating. And so, yeah, we finna go get them water, food. And yeah, we finna go. I don't know if I'm gonna continue vlogging for today because I'm not doing nothing else. It's cold. Well, not even, it's just cold. Like, it's snow everywhere, ice everywhere. I'm not finna be out, risking my life to go do something. But yeah, I did not give a intro. So hi, welcome. If you're new, please click that subscribe button. I promise you, I'm gonna get better at this vlogging, and y'all gonna have fun watching Clo TV. That's my period. Oh, but yeah, we finna go. We're closing the gate and stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I do not continue vlogging, I'm gonna see if I can continue vlogging tomorrow. We're not doing nothing tomorrow. Like, we're not doing nothing special tomorrow. But I'm gonna try to, like, bring you guys along with me if we come feeding again or stuff like that. So, yeah, bye.